We're gonna do a little self-massage technique for the knees today. So we're gonna start by checking in. We're gonna stand up, both feet planted, weight distributed evenly. And we're gonna take a slight bend of the knees and then straighten back up. Bend, and as you bend, you wanna imagine that your knees have headlights shining out of them, and those lights are tracking right over the second toe, okay? Now, as you do this, take stock of where things feel stuck, where things feel difficult, immobile, and we'll check back in. So we'll sit down for a little self-massage. You can straighten your leg. I like to prop my leg up on something when I do this. And I also will be working directly on my skin. So roll up any pants that you have. And we're gonna do skin rolling, which is a really specific technique that feels kind of weird when you first begin, but it is really effective. So to do it, we're gonna pick up the skin between the first two fingers and the thumb. So you're anchoring it like this, and you're gonna roll it back and forth like you're rolling dough. Okay, so we're gonna be working right at the top of the knee, kind of the pocket right above the knee here. So pick up that skin between the first two fingers and the thumb and roll forward, roll back. Again, this is a weird feeling if you're doing it, but you are loosening the fascia. We're gonna head towards the outside, so take another grab towards the outside. We're approaching the IT band attachment, so if you go towards the lateral side of the knee, the outer side of the knee, it'll be harder to pick up the skin there, but it's important to try and create some flow through this area. And then we're just gonna squeeze up the length of the IT band, just giving it a nice little relaxing stimulation. And then come back, and we'll start again at the center, and we'll roll now towards the inside of the knee. And you can take this technique all around all sides of the knee. It's, again, going to be harder to grab the tissue in the bonier parts, but we want to create some flow through these adhesive layers. So that's the beauty of skin rolling. Kind of like rolling an orange over a counter to juice it up. That's kind of like what we're doing. So when you're ready, you're going to stand back up, feet planted evenly, and we're going to check back in to that knee bend and see what has changed.